3 Texting secrets women can't resist. Stoicism. In today's fast-paced digital world, texting has become the bridge that connects two people, especially in the early stages of attraction. For men who embody Stoicism, mastering the art of texting isn't about flashy words or endless flattery. It's about control, depth, and emotional intelligence. The Stoic man doesn't chase, he attracts through calm presence, confidence, and intention. Here are 3 timeless texting secrets women can't resist, rooted in Stoic philosophy and modern psychology. 1. The power of pausing. A Stoic man never rushes to respond. He understands that patience reflects strength. When you pause before replying, you project emotional control, a rare quality in a world addicted to instant gratification. This doesn't mean playing games, it means being deliberate. Before you respond, ask yourself, am I texting out of impulse or purpose? Women naturally gravitate toward men who are composed and measured, not reactive. A thoughtful pause builds intrigue and shows that your attention is valuable, and you don't give it away lightly. 2. Less words, more impact. Stoicism teaches restraint, and that principle applies perfectly to texting. Instead of long, needy paragraphs, keep your messages concise, confident, and meaningful. A few well-chosen words can carry more weight than a dozen scattered sentences. For example, instead of saying, "I can't stop thinking about you, you're so beautiful," a simple, "You crossed my mind today" has 10 times more impact. It leaves space for imagination and curiosity. Silence, when used correctly, becomes your ally. It allows the woman to fill in the blanks with desire. 3. Purpose over pleasure. Most men text for validation. The Stoic man texts with purpose. Each message should align with your values: clarity, direction, and respect. Whether you're inviting her out, sharing a thought, or checking in, your tone should communicate calm confidence. Avoid emotional roller coasters or attention-seeking emojis. Instead, focus on grounding the conversation in authenticity. Texting should never control your emotions. You control it. When a woman senses that your world doesn't revolve around her replies, she feels magnetically drawn toward your independence. In the end, texting like a Stoic isn't about manipulation, it's about mastery. It's the art of balancing logic and emotion, patience and interest. When you embody these principles, your words become rare, your presence becomes powerful, and your silence speaks louder than any emoji ever could.